Okay, slightly surprised. I literally just got this today. This is the palm rest to the ThinkPad tablet. So my miniature distraction. There we go. This actually came from Inwood, New York. Yeah, right. This actually came from China, it was supposed to be. So this will be interesting. It is really covered in tape. Huh. Okay. Don't even know where to start carving on this turkey. By the way, I just saw 10 turkeys in a field. Devouring or eating something. Tightly packed. That is small. Ooh, that stinks. It's got some stink to it. Okay, let's see there. Oh, okay, so it does have some screws and stuff. I like that. Okay. So, hang on, let me flip this so you can see it. There it is. So all of the electronics is not in here. It's supposed to be supposedly brand new. And all the electronics is out, so I'll have to basically pop everything in there. All right. I now have a brand new palm rest for the ThinkPad. I will sanitize my hand in a little bit, but you know, I should be fine. I feel fine. I feel fine. There you go. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, so this palm rest is gonna literally sit right here. Right there. Could probably do this today. We'll do it later. Right now I gotta find an air can before I open this thing up. Having an issue trying to find an air can. There are none locally. I'm gonna have to probably go to further up I-87 to find some, or go down 87 to go find some.